Welcome to my channel. Follow me to the end of the video for tips and tricks to receive a free cruise vacation trip. Cruise vacation now gets more expensive each day. Do you want to receive a free trip from a cruise ship company? Let's follow me. I will show you how I get a free balcony room and drink. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more. First, let's go to a website one of a cruise ship company. Okay, I will go to Carnival Cruise Line. From this search box, you can search the date and port for your convenience time. Obviously, it will come out with a standard price which can cost you at least thousands of dollars per couple depending on the length and destination. Cruise companies always give you a special deal for their previous customers by offering via VIFP number. It stands out for very important fun people. If you have previously sailed with them, so you should know the purpose for VIFP. It's an account that you use for spending a while on the ship, and everyone will have their own VIFP number. I will enter my VIFP number. Let's see what special deals they are offering to me. As you can see, for Australia first, for Elite Cruise, I receive free balcony room plus $1,000 Australia dollar in fun play credits, free drinks everywhere on board the ship for me and one travel companion. Premier Cruise, even more attractive, free balcony room plus $2,000 Australia dollar in fun play credits. All Australia deal is in the mid-range, free balcony room plus $1,500 Australia dollar in fun play credits. And many more excellent deals below. I will try the Premier Special Edition with free balcony room and $500 fun play to see how much the total cost for my trip is.